every bad situation, you can make something good out of it. I took a car that caught on fire and just built my dream car out of it. Definitely do it. Get into cars. Drive something that's fun, you know. Just don't give up on your personal goals and, you know, your ambitions. You won't know if you don't do it and you don't try. And then I could have gotten down so many times with all of my cars. I should have got out of it when, you know, I had a car stolen or like the first crash maybe, but I just enjoy it too much. Enjoy the community, and it gives me a good feeling. I'm chasing that feeling every single day when I'm driving this thing. My name is Phil Fusco. I'm from Kitsap County, Washington. I drive a 2016 Hyper Blue WRX STI. I've been driving an STI now for about 10 years.